Time to get the Evo down and let's see what has happened. One bit, two bit. Right, we're just off the floor. Lovely, 4.5 litres was perfect, just over the full mark. Let's see what happens when we start it this time and if we make some silly noises. I'm sure I've got to press the clutch. Oh no, I haven't in this. Let's see. That is amazing, Pete. There. Slightly out of line. More than normal, unless I'm just not used to the engine. No idea what that is. Something being chewed.